What is probability? Probability is the assigned value given to the likelihood of a particular outcome occurring in a random situation. But how do you teach probability? The first thing you need to teach students is the ratio of probability, which is the number of favourable outcomes or things you want over the total number of possible outcomes. We're going to show you how to teach probability using M&Ms. Kids will love this lesson because they love lollies. So as you know, M&Ms come in varying colours. We've separated them so you can see how many we've got of each. So for example, you could ask students, what is the probability of choosing a red M&M? They count the number of favourable outcomes, or red, which is 9, over the total number of M&Ms with the packet, which is 53. So the probability of choosing a red M&M is 9 out of 53. M&Ms are also a really good way of teaching all probability because they supply a visual. So for example, you could ask what's the probability of choosing a red or blue M&M. So we count all the favourable outcomes, or red and blue M&Ms, and add them together, which is 21, out of again the total number of possible outcomes, or M&Ms in the packet, which is still 53. So the probability is 21 out of 50. Are there any common misconceptions I should know about? Students get confused with impossible, which is always 0, and unlikely. So for example, if we were to use a probability line in this activity, we will put 0 or impossible at one end and certain at the other. And even chance always goes in the middle. This misconception is clear when students put the M&Ms there are most of at the certain end and the M&Ms there are least of at the impossible end. You can see how this way of teaching would be confusing then. A solution to this misconception is using one colour, in this case orange, and then asking a question like, what is the probability of picking a green M&M? So it would be impossible, or 0 chance. Whereas if we put one green M&M in the large amount of orange M&Ms, there is still a small chance of picking green. Therefore, the probability is unlikely.